This is what's the new word, kit, B. We start with cab, cab. This is a cab. We start with cab and drop the B to make the new word cat, cat. This is a cat. This time we've dropped the k to make the new word mat, mat. Mat, map. We've dropped the t and added a p to make map. The new word is map. Map. We drop the to make the new word cap, cap. Cap. We drop the p to make a new word, can, can.